I'm making this video for my YouTube fans out there, and I'm just wondering, this is the rear tires on my 1985 Honda Gyro. These are the original Dunlops that came with it. I believe the rim is 6 inches, and this is the code 4.50 by 6. I believe that 4.50 is the tread width and 6 inches is this rim diameter. Now the thing is that with these are original tires, and they're 25 years old, and you can see where this one's starting to wear. And tires were never made to last for 25 years. They just aren't. What happens is the sidewalls start to give out, even though you can't see it. But they give out, and bullshit out of here. Now, this one is 4.5 by 6. I've looked everywhere for replacement tires. I've looked in Honda. Like Bike Bandit sells parts for this bike, and they no longer sell the tires, but I imagine that if these tires are sold in Japan, get out of there, cat, or if this Gyro is sold in Japan, that these tires should be available. I don't know the new coating as far as this says K234B. So I've looked at golf cart stores. I've looked everywhere. If anyone knows where I can find a set of replacements at this size, I would really appreciate it. If anyone out there in the YouTube world knows. Thank you.